How to save or export a specific slide in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see step-wise tutorial on how we can export or save specific slides on PowerPoint presentation. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up PowerPoint and then open up your presentation. So once you're here, select the slide that you want to export or save. For example, I have this first slide right here, select it. After that, press Ctrl in your keyboard and then select the other slide. Now once you have your selected slide, what you have to do is navigate to top left and click on this file option. Here from this menu bar on your left hand side, click on export. Now from here, click on create PDF or XPS, click on it. Then you will see this pop-up box in your interface. Here what you have to do is go to the options button on this interface, click on it. Now from here you have to click on selection, so click on selection. Once done, click on OK. Now select your location where you want to save the selected slide. For example, I want to save it in the desktop. Select the desktop. After that, click on publish. And there you go. Now you have your selected slide. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.